Chase Sapphire Preferred also pricing explained what you get for your money. If you love travel rewards but don't want to pay exorbitant fees, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is one of the most popular options for a reason. Most people overlook how much value this card delivers through points, travel perks, and flexible redemption options. The card earns 2 points per spent on travel and dining, and 1 point per on all other purchases. Points can be redeemed for travel through Chase Ultimate Reward at 25% more value or transferred to airline and hotel partners, making it a highly versatile rewards card. For example, spending 0 on travel and dining annually could net 0 points, which can easily translate into more in travel redemption, with even higher value if transferred strategically. The Sapphire Preferred has an annual fee, but it's modest compared to premium cards. You also get trip cancellation insurance, travel accident coverage, and no foreign transaction fees. Most people underestimate the combination of points plus protections, which can easily offset the fee in the first year. In conclusion, the Chase Sapphire Preferred also is ideal for travelers who want high rewards, flexibility, and robust travel protections without breaking the bank. If you maximize points on dining and travel while leveraging transfer partners, this card can deliver value far beyond its annual fee.